Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? We got an interesting offer here. What a great looking dude this is. This is a Hampden Brewing company out of Williamset, Mass. For the brewing company, serving tray. So it's a beer serving tray vintage, but really, really cool. Again, most people are using these for art. You could use this for some kind of serving tray, but it was designed for decorative art. This guy's got the $1 million smile. So if you are into vintage advertising, Brewania, or you are from Williamset, Mass, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.